If you're experiencing login failures in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue and improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and speed up your login process. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Cyberpunk 2077 website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Close the game and restart your console or PC to refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update the game. Ensure that you have the latest version of Cyberpunk 2077 installed. Check for updates through your gaming platform Steam, Epic Games, etc., and install any available patches, as these can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your connection speed and consider resetting your router if you notice any issues. A wired connection is often more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing login issues. Make sure to back up your save files before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve login failures in Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.